Regina Taylor, and I'm an adoption attorney in Gastonia, North Carolina. And I just wanted to give you a few tips on placing your child for adoption. I know that sounds a little callous, but a lot of times you as a birth parent or a birth mother may be toying or struggling, that's a better word, struggling with the decision of whether you should place your child for adoption. Many people don't understand this, and they may tell you they don't understand how you could possibly do this, but you of course may be dealing with a number of issues such as the circumstances surrounding the conception of your baby. You may be at a place where you don't think that you can afford to have another child, or even if this is your first child, you don't think that you can afford to raise a child, or perhaps because of your age you don't feel you're equipped to raise a child at this point in time. Regardless, it's a very difficult decision. In my 20+ years of practice in law, I've dealt with worked with a number of mothers, ages ranging from their teens to in their 30s, even 40s, who have had to make that very difficult decision. There's not a lot of resources or information out there. You may be embarrassed about where to look, but I just wanted to give you a little information on some things to consider. First of all, the first place many birth mothers look is either the internet or the telephone book. There are a lot of different agencies, facilitators listed in the phone book, or even the Department of Social Services. If you decide to place your child with the Department of Social Services, then you have no say in who your child is placed with. Most departments of social services maintain a list of foster/adoptive parents, people that the Department of Social Services has qualified for you to place your child with, and the Department of Social Services makes that decision as to whom to place your child with. If you go through an adoption agency, a private adoption agency, in many instances you'll be given the opportunity to meet the couple or the person that your child will be placed with. You'll also have the opportunity to review what's known as a home study or their pre-placement assessment. The pre-placement assessment is a written document where the individual has had their criminal background checked. You're able to learn some biographical information about that individual. You'll be able to know whether that individual is financially stable or able to parent your child. Many pre-placement assessments contain some background family history of the individual that your child will be placed with. Some agencies will arrange for you to meet that person. Sometimes it's done over dinner, sometimes it's done at the agency office, and you're given an opportunity within reason to get to know that individual so that you'll know where your child is being placed. Most birth mothers, or shall we say the first mothers or the first parents of children, are given that opportunity. Another way way that you can get some assistance in placing your child is through facilitators. Now, a number of the organizations that are listed in the phone book under adoption agencies are not, in fact, adoption agencies. North Carolina regulates adoption agencies and licenses adoption agencies. Many of these organizations that are listed in the phone book are really adoption facilitators. When I use the word facilitator, I mean that those individuals maintain a list or have a client base of potential adoptive parents. And when you call into this 1-800 number, which it is in most instances a 1-800 number that you'll call, they will send you out profiles, is what they call it, of potential adoptive parents. Now, since they are facilitators and facilitators aren't truly allowed in North Carolina, these individuals can be located anywhere in the country. Many are located in Michigan, and you're given a phone number or a contact person who answers the phone at their home, literally in their home, because a lot of times you'll hear the children in the background playing, and that'll be your only contact. You won't have an opportunity to meet this individual face to face. Now, a lot of these facilitators or other organizations maintain lists and may point you to an attorney within your state or within your locale who can help you or work with you. Sometimes as a birth mom, you may know of friends who are interested in adoptions, and many birth mothers feel comfortable with that. Or they may have relatives in their own families who are interested in adopting their baby. Placing your child for adoption should not be an experience that you're ashamed of or that you feel guilty for, because you are making what you believe, and in many instances is the best decision for your child. If you'd like more information about adoption or how you can locate potential adoptive parents, feel free to visit my website, www.attorneyreginataylor.com, or you can give us a call at 704-861-0700. We look forward to helping you. Thank you.